Hello, good evening, guys. This is Babs Enterprise. Today I'm here to unbox the Xiaomi Smart LED bulb or Smart Wi-Fi bulb. So, what is this bulb all about? It's a smart bulb, just like your normal bulbs you use at home, in your kitchen, in your bathrooms, in your bedrooms. This is a bulb, but one distinguished feature of this bulb is it's smart. You understand? You can remotely control it using the app or any voice assistant such as Google Assistant, Siri, Amazon Alexa. You can you can use the voice assistant to change the colors, to turn it on, to turn it off. So that's how it is from Xiaomi. The Xiaomi smart bulb. Let's see. Good. So you can see. Works with Alexa, works with the Google Assistant. Mi Smart LED bulb essential. Understand? Wi-Fi connection, voice control, adjustable brightness through the app or any voice assistant, adjustable color temperature, scheduled on and off, smart app. These are all the features of the bulb. Good, so that's it. 69 watts consumption. Alright guys, without wasting much time, I would want to demonstrate the usage of this smart bulb. So let's connect it to the lamp holder and then we download the app and then pair it. Alright.
Yana play.
So guys, we are coming to change the bulb using the app. So that's it. So this is the power off button. Let's hit it. It's off. So now let's turn it on. That's it. Let's turn it off again. Now let's turn it off. Good. Let's turn it on. Alright, so now let's try to change the color. As you can see. Let's change it to green. That's it. Let's change it to yellow. Good. Let's change it to red. Good. So guys, that's all the smart bulb is about. You understand? So kindly hit and then subscribe my channel for more videos. Do have a good day, lovely customers.